Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hard drive docking stations that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Wavelink External. Wavelink External Docking Station UASP-Black has Type-C USB port which is compatible with USB 3.1, USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. The device can be used with laptops, MacBook Pro, tablets and Chromebook Pixel. The device also supports 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches SATA. The device is also compatible with the Windows operating system, Mac operating system, and Linux operating system. The device can hold 2 hard drives. This can involve offline data copy in between 2 hard drives without the help of a computer. The device is a plug-and-play device, hence it is easy to use and operate. At number 4. WME Dual BAE External. The device has a USB 3.0. The device is compatible with 2.5 inches and 3.5-inch SATA HDD and SSD. It is an integrated safeguard that prevents overvoltage, peak voltage, short circuits, leak currents, interference and disturbance. All this guarantees a safe data transfer and access. The device supports 2 hard drives of 8 terabytes. It is easy to install and operate because no driver is needed. The device also supports offline duplicating. The device has a stable and reliable DC power source. The package includes a USB 3.0 cable, a power adapter, and a user manual. At number 3. FIDECO-Dual BAE External-Duplicator. FIDECO-Dual BAE docking station gives simple access with dual 2.5 inches and 3.5-inch HDD, SSD and SATA I, 2 and 3 drives. This docking station can support 2 hard drives with 12 terabytes each. This is the best solution to backup and processing IT information, batch processing data, file transfers, formatting, and data recovery. The device has 2 USB 3.0 ports. This device is enabled to clone offline. The device is stable and reliable with a direct current power source. The USB port can transfer a file at a speed of up to 5 GB in every sec. It is easy to use and operate. The device is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. At number 2. Thermaltake Docking ST0014UD. Thermaltake External-Enclosure Docking has a USB 3.0 with a super speed interface which enables client users to transmit data with a speed of up to 5.0 GB in every second. It is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. The device is compatible with Windows and Mac OS supported. The device is a plug-and-play, hence it is easy to install. This docking station is lightweight, hence it is more portable. The new Black X Duet HDD docking station is a complete and easy way to access all files stored on your hard drives. Not only does the Black X Duet provide rapid 2 HDD access and data exchange, it can also read and run the drives at the same time. At number 1. Docking Tccmebius-TCC S862-US. TCC Mebius docking station has 2 USB 2.0 ports. It is a simple transfer of information from one's 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches SATA and IDE hard drive to one's computer through USB 2.0 port at a speed of 480 megabytes in every second. This device is compatible with Windows and Mac operating system. This docking station has a maximum support 8 TB SATA interface hard disk. IDE interfaces more support 1 TB hard drive. The device can also support a memory card with storage of up to 64 GB. One-touch functionality makes it easy to copy data and documents from your computer to an external hard drive. For information on using the OTB feature and downloading the OTB software, please refer to the product guide. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.